Will automatic body wash machine damage my paint or mirror? Let me ask you something. What is the number one concern people have when they heard about automatic body wash machine? It's not the price, it's not even the speed. It's this simple but powerful question. Will it damage my paint or mirror? And honestly, that is a fair question. Your bike is not just transportation, it's personal. It is an investment, sometimes even a passion. Nobody wants to risk scratch on a shiny paint job or broken mirror just to save a few minutes at the wash. If the machine is not safe, customer won't trust it, and if customer don't trust it, the business won't success. Here is the good news. The Go&Go automatic body wash machine is designed from the ground up to be 100% safe for buying. Let's break it down. First, the brushes. Many people imagine hard, rough brushes grinding against the paint. Not true. Go&Go use soft, flexible brushes made from high-quality imported materials that bend gentle around the bike curve. They are tough on dirt, but gentle on paint. It is the same type of technology used in modern car wash now, adapted specifically for motorbike. Second, the brusher. Another fear is that high brusher nozzle might chip the paint or crack mirror. But the Go&Go system is carefully calibrated. The water jets are strong enough to blast away dirt, mud, and dirt. Even the stick clay you find in rural or raining area, but they are never so strong that they damage delicate surface. The machine is tested on thousands of bikes before release, ensuring it meets international safety standards. Third, the design. Motorbikes come in all shapes and sizes, right? From scooters to sport bikes, from urban commuters to heavy-duty off-road bikes. The Go&Go system is built to handle all of them. The adjustable frame, sensor-based control, and flexible brakes that mean no part of the bike gets accepted first. Even mirror, license plates, and smaller accessories are safe. Now let's talk about what this means for your business. Safety is not just a technical detail. It is the foundation of the customer trust. Imagine this. A rider walked into your shop with a brand new motorbike, maybe worth thousands of dollars. He is nervous. He is hurt in the mid. He asks, "Will this machine scratch my bike?" And you confidently say, "No, it's won't." Our machine is designed to protect your paint and mirror while giving you a sparkling wash in just for 2 minutes. That's confidence win customers. When they see their bike come out shining, scratch-free and clean, they are amazed. They come back again and again. They tell their friends. They post video online. Your shop becomes known not only for speed, but also for safety. And let's think bigger. If you are considering exporting or investment in multiple locations, this safety feature is your strongest selling point. You can advertise automatic, fast, and safe for your bike paint and mirror. That is the kind of message that builds a brand customer trust worldwide. Here is another perspective. Traditional hand washing is not always as safe as you think. Workers may use dirty clothes, roof bursts, or inconsistency chemicals that actually cause micro scratches over time. Ironically, manual washing often does more harm than a properly designed automatic system. With Go&Go, every wash is consistent, clean, and protective of the bike finish. So let's answer the big question once and for all. Will the Go&Go automatic body wash machine damage your paint or mirror? Absolutely not. It's engineered for safety, tested for reliability, and trusted by riders who care deeply about their bike. Click the link below to watch a real customer video, see the Go&Go machine in action, and hear directly from riders who trust their bike to this technology. Don't let myth and fear hold you back. With Go&Go, you can build a business that's profitable, scalable, and most importantly, trusted. Because at the end of the day, riders don't just want a clean bike, they want a safe bike. And with Go&Go, they get both.